guys, welcome back to another one. This is one of those examples of just how in SoCal you can just always find something. I was already at another location. I was getting ready to leave that one, and somebody was like, hey, did you what about this one, because it's close, right? And I was like, all right, cool, let me go hit it up. And literally I just came out, like I went down the block from one that I was at, came up to this one, and I've got a whole nother one to go through. So I'm gonna run through again. Something that I've noticed is most all of these like larger type meets, they started bringing DJs out, which I don't mind. I like the music, I like hearing it, but it makes it harder for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run through as I get close to the DJ. You know how that goes. I gotta cut it and do whatever. But I'm gonna show you what's out here. It's pretty cool. I like the parking lot stuff because everything's structured. Like literally it's infrastructure. No, everything's structured where there's plenty of parking. It's already designated. There's no like, I don't know. I like the way it's set up when it's in a parking structure. The one in Japan definitely spoiled me. That night meet we did, the mega meet that was in the parking structure in Japan, that was sick, plus at night. But we'll run through, I'll show you. It looks like we got a whole run of vets down this side. But I'll show you guys what's out here. We're out here at Tustin Flight up in their parking structure. So you guys let me know what you think. This will be another one of those kind of quick hit ones where I'll pick out a handful of cars. I'll show you guys what's out here, and we'll just run through it. So, I mean, I just ran just a whole line of vets. Looks like we got a couple Subarus up this way. Got a couple of the, I call them crowd pleasers, I'm sorry, but they're, you know, all the Chargers and that stuff. So I got those coming up. Let's run down the run of Chargers. I'll come over here to the FL5s and the Integras, show you guys what's there, and we'll keep running through. All right, thanks. All right, guys, since we have so much music today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run through and pick out a handful of like just specific cars, talk about them, because it's definitely gonna be hard to show you guys everything with all the music. But you guys know, the newer Integras, the new FL5s, I really like them. I like what they did with the second gen of the newer Integra, where they added, you know, the bump outs and the flares. I think it gives the car the look it needs. So, I mean, this one's great. You come down, again, great pairing, the FL5s and the Integra. I love the Integra in the red. The FL5, of course, in Type R, white's good. Then you have the first gen of the newer Integra. So the narrow body one is how I always reference it. But pretty cool. I mean, I don't know. It's a good setup, good lineup. We've got a bunch of the crowd pleasers over here, some more crowd pleasers here. Like I was saying, we got a couple of the Subarus. I'll do my best to show you guys everything and battle the music as we go through. Hey, cool, little Speed 3. It's always good to see those. You don't get to see them that often. That's just, again, one that didn't survive. Let's see, we got a couple more vets down this way. This one's a Z06 over here. I mean, that's nice. Look. Yeah, that's okay. Nothing but, and then you think that one's good. Previous gen, ZR1. Oh my goodness. Like this always amazes me when a factory does something like this with a clear see-through hood. Like super fun. All right, I want to show you this guy. I want to show you guys the CRX that's over here. And then I'm gonna run through the other side before everybody gets out of here. Everybody's already kind of rolling out. Right-hand drive MR2. I'm starting to see more of the right-hand drive MR2s, which is cool. I really like them. They're a fun little car. I don't know. They're just an oddity. They're one of those cars when they came out. They were expensive. Like they weren't as popular as they should have been. And now they kind of hit that classic mark, and everybody kind of is looking at them again and is like, wait, they were actually a pretty cool car. All black. You guys know how I feel about a black CRX. Black CRX. It's a left-hand drive. Pretty good interior with the way he did the redo on the seats. Those actually don't look bad in the car. I think I need to get into one. I do. I don't know. I think, what, sell the EK and get in a CRX? No, I can't. Maybe I can. We'll see how it goes. But I don't know. I don't know that I could trade the EK and get a CRX. I'd have to get like a CRX and something else. I don't know. Did I kind of put that out there? Man, really good looking Supra on some S1s. You guys know I've been talking about the S1s like I talk about the TEs. Just a really clean wheel that, again, goes with just about everything else. Let me go up here. I got an FD up here. Got a little mix, little 5.0, couple 5.0s coming up through. Little GR, HKS goodies underneath, it looks like. Blitz and HKS. Nice little catalog of some extra stuff. All right, let's see. Got another Integra. I'm getting closer to the music. All right, let me show you a couple of these, and then I'll have to cut through, and because the music's coming. Look. I know this car. I know this person. I know this car. I haven't gotten to drive it yet, but I will. This is a fun car. FD, Project Muse, running Regas on it. He's already had everybody go through this car, so I know it runs right. This one's a fun one. This is something I need right here. This is something I need. I have my little EK parked down at the bottom as you exit.
Why did you pick it up?
I didn't know what was going on up here, so I just left it down there. It's literally at the gate where you come in.
I just figured you were here.
Then we got GT4 RS, and then let's see, we got a couple of the little 570S McLaren. Let's see what else we got. But yeah, that FD, that would be the trade. That's it. I just figured out the trade. An FD and a CRX for the EK9. You think I can do it? 2 right-hand drives for one? I think that's fair. I think I should. Big single on the Supras. Man, dude, they're a handful enough before you go to it. Look, drags, skinnies, running a big single up top. Let me show you. This thing is more than a handful. I mean, they're bad enough. They're bad enough on stocks with E85. I can't imagine something like this. All right, so we got SVJ. What a mix of cars out here today. This is fun. Like a really good mix of cars. You got the 35 dumped out. All right, so I'm gonna run over there next to where the DJ is. I'm gonna show you those cars real quick, and then we'll run through this. You know what? This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be one of those quick hit ones that's just worth coming out and having fun with. All right, guys, so let's talk about a couple more, and then it looks like I'll probably have to get out of here. Again, it's one of those quick hits where you come out and you see what's at a location. I literally came here from another spot, but it's still kind of cool to see what's out here. We've got a ton of bikes I was showing you guys. I mean, a ton of really good bikes. You got the Maserati, G82, you got the Civic. I'll take a look at that in a second. But look at all the different bikes they got out here. A bunch of good stuff, and then like some big boys, you know. But yeah, look, all the Ninjas, the R6s, just a lot of good bikes. Older school R6. I actually had that R6 at one point. You got the FL5 over here. On some Advans, and then you got a 1 Series, nice and clean. It's always good to see a clean one. They're hard to keep clean. The generation, they start getting old, and they just struggle. So, all right, let me zoom you guys out. I'm gonna go down the run a little bit, see if there's anybody hiding like a level down. And then I think I'm probably gonna grab the drone and see if I can throw the drone up here. We'll see. But you guys, let me know what you think. Again, this is just one of the great things about SoCal, okay? One of the great things I think about SoCal is I literally have the choice of, you know, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 sometimes, okay? Just ridiculous. I know I kept counting on that. But really, just a ridiculous amount of car meets that I can pick from. Big, small. I really like, you know, like this one. Top level of a parking deck. It's, you know, I don't know, 50 cars at max. Perfect. You hang out, especially if you come out with like a group of friends. You come out with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I keep counting. You see how I did that? I'm sorry. But you come out with like a group of friends and you just do that. You come hang out, you chill up top and everything, and you just kind of have fun. This is something like, here, let me show you guys. So you got the IS wagon next to, you know, one of my favorites, the SC300s. Again, maybe that's my 2-car collection. Maybe I get a CRX and a VIP car. That actually wouldn't be a bad idea. I could do that. Still coming in and leaving little mix, which is always fun. So he was a little loud, but But what I was saying was, it's fun to come out, do stuff like that, kind of chill, see what comes out. It's always cool to see what kind of new cars are here, what kind of, you know, what you could find. But what I was getting at was, so in SoCal, especially down my area, you know, I'm in Orange County. So like in Orange County, like you come down here and you can pick from more than a handful of different meets every single weekend. And on most weekends, even, you know, like this weekend's kind of a holiday weekend because we have Valentine's and then we've got New Year. So like Chinese New Year. So there's still stuff to pick from, which for me, it's kind of crazy. Like you can still go out, you can still pick from more than a handful of things. I came down the stairs too fast. He's right there leaving. But you can still pick from a handful of things, which for me, I think is awesome. And hopefully for you, it's awesome because I try and cover as much of it as I can. But literally, I have the choice of just a ton. So you guys, let me know what you like as I go out to these. If you don't like it, just say you don't like it. It doesn't hurt my feelings in the comments. You know, I do. I appreciate it when you guys tell me. If it's something that you like and you want me to keep doing, tell me. I'll try and put it on my schedule of events. I'll try and keep doing it for you and just let you know. I got a car coming down. He's pumping his music. You know, is what it is. But yeah, man. So you guys, let me know what you think. Drop those comments. Today was a good quick one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Otherwise, I'm gonna get out of here. I will see you guys at the next one. Thanks.